All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about working on your own junk. The reason I'm doing this video is I got to work on my own truck tonight. If you drive a GM product or you work on them, you know what this is. Yeah, blend door actuator. Had one fail on me, no defrost. Worked everywhere else, stopped at defrost. So, had to put a new one in. And why is it when you're working on your own stuff, it never goes easily? It's always fight, 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 fight. When I pulled this off, of course the whole plastic piece came with it. It didn't want to come out, separate. So of course had to put it all back in. Got it partially in, it wasn't all the way engaged. And then every time I tried to put it back in, it just flopped down. It was like, when I put the new one in, it didn't want to slide on easily onto the plastic part. So I had to push it on, it just fought me. Why? Why is it when it's my junk or your junk, it has to fight you? I don't get that. Well, the other thing is we don't fix our junk. That's why it's junk. Now my stuff's not junk, but technicians, I did not want to do this job. Did not want to do it. I gotta, I've already been working all day, and then I gotta work on my truck, and then I gotta film videos for you guys. It's been a long day, so what can I say? Technician's vehicle is the last one to get worked on. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification to get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Comments are always appreciated. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.